Kha ka jingkala ka bakong san na kabanta ka yok kakod jongkari India u Chief Economics Advisor CEA V.Anantha Nageswaran ulaong baya ka khajna pensitom balabu halor kimar kibawan na India da ka sarkar US lakban weng no hadien ka 30tarik November hang ni ki don baro ki jingtip babnia kiba pidon kambantip halor ka ai kaba u Chief Economics Advisor CEA ka India V.Anantha Nageswaran ulaong halor ka jingsiu khajna jong ka US baro ngiladon lupa hakakam bat ngan simpor ban kren sapang kador hangni haoit kador batenrai jong kabai lutsan kaba arpusan persen rangkat bat kador pensitom kaba arpusan persen baro nimsem lakmi lenti ngadangit ba kijing longjingman hakasan himasima kila ban wanra ya kajing siudor kaba arpusan persen Hanrei haba perkhat ya ka jingjia badangshen hakine ki artayo baladep bat kumta teter ngange ye kata bat ngamdon daw kerpang ban ong kumta kadai ka jingsneu thu jonga ba ngange ba ka jingsiudor kan omdon shu hadien 30tarik November.
Now, this is where I think all of us are worried about, and I will take some time to talk about the tariff here. Yes, not only the original reciprocal tariff of 25% plus the penal tariff of 25%, both were not anticipated. I still believe that geopolitical circumstances may have led to the second 25% tariff, but considering recent developments in the last couple of weeks and so on, I do believe, I have no particular basis to say so, just my intuition, that the penal tariff will not be there beyond November 30th. I mean, it's not a statement of based on any concrete indicator or evidence. It's my hope that given the recent developments which we see in terms of both countries finding an off-ramp and reaching out to each other, and including the important negotiator being in India in the first 2 days of this week, I do believe that there will be a resolution in the next couple of months on the penal tariff and hopefully on the reciprocal tariff also. So